Hello again. Welcome to my back porch, where I will teach you coffee things that you will probably never use because you are not my ideal demographic. Today I'm going to be making cold brew. Cold brew is kind of like the cold counterpart to espresso. It's the main part of iced coffee and can be used in many other drinks. For this tutorial, you will need a grinder, a French press, water, and of course, coffee. Cold brew can be made in many different ratios, but the one I use is to double the amount of coffee you use when making normal French press. I'm going to make 2 servings. So I'm going to double the amount of coffee and put 8 scoops of coffee. You want your coffee to be coarsely ground, just like a normal French press. I'm going to set the amount of scoops to 8. And we click start. Alright, right now it looks like I have the ideal amount of coffee. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour the grounds into the French press. Just made a mess right here. Alright. And now we add the water. When making 2 servings of coffee in a French press, I usually fill the water 3/4 the way up. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, got water. Now let's pour it in. Alright, so now all we gotta do, put plunger on the French press. I'm gonna push it down slightly. Alright, the next step is to put it in the fridge overnight, or in the day if you're nocturnal, for around 12 to 15 hours. I usually put it for 13 hours. In the morning when you wake up, you can tamp the grinds, push it down, and then you have cold brew. Have a great day. I hope you like this coffee tutorial.